Welcome students to my channel. In today's video, we will solve another problem of inclusion-exclusion principle. Here we are given that out of 120 readers, 70 borrow fiction, 60 borrow non-fiction, 45 borrow poetry, 35 borrow fiction and non-fiction, 25 fiction and poetry and 20 borrow non-fiction and poetry, while 12 borrow all the three. Find the number of readers who borrow exactly two. So first, let us draw the Venn diagram. This is F for fiction, this is N for non-fiction, and this is P for poetry. So the required region is the total number of readers who borrow exactly two. Now, this region gives us the number of students or number of readers who borrow exactly fiction and non-fiction. This region gives us number of readers who borrow exactly fiction and poetry. And this region gives us the number of readers who borrow poetry and non-fiction. Now, this middle portion must be subtracted from all the three intersections. Otherwise, it will also include that the number of readers who borrow three of the combinations. But we have to find only two. That means the number of readers who borrow exactly two. So that's why we have to add all the number of students who borrow exactly two combinations of books. Here it will be F intersection N plus N intersection P plus F intersection P. This means we have added this three portion. Now see, in this, if we add this three intersecting part, then this middle portion is also included there. And how many times we have added this portion? We have added three times. So we have to subtract this portion thrice. 3 into F intersection P intersection N. Or another way is only F and N. That means only fiction and non-fiction. How many readers borrow fiction and non-fiction? That is 35. 35 minus how many of them borrow all the three? 12. Only N and P, non-fiction and poetry. How many of them borrow this combination? Non-fiction and poetry, that is 20. 20 minus 12. Here it is 23, it is 8. Only poetry and fiction. How many of them borrow this? 25. 25 minus 12. 12 means all the three. So it is 13. Now you have to add them together. We will get 3, 3, 6. 6 plus 8, that is 14. And here we have 44. So exactly 2 is 44. So number of students, sorry, it will not be students, it will be readers. Number of readers borrow exactly two of the books is 44. Okay, so this is the solution. I hope you have a clear idea that how to solve this type of problem. That's it for today. If you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next one.